In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change portal name and portal description in Go HighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to update, so your client portal looks polished, on-brand, and easy for members to recognize. First, make sure you're logged into your Go HighLevel account with permissions to manage the client portal. From your main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open the Memberships area. This is where all the client-facing learning and portal features live, so it's the right place to manage your portal's branding details. Inside Memberships, open the Client Portal. Think of this as the home base your clients see when they sign in. We're going to update the name and the short description that appear to users, so they immediately know they're in the right place. Next, go into Settings. You'll find this within the Client Portal workspace. Settings is where the foundational options live, and we'll focus on the section that controls the visual identity. Within Settings, choose Branding. This tab is dedicated to the look and feel of the portal, including the fields for your portal name and portal description. Updating these helps align the portal with your organization's identity and sets the right expectations for your clients. In the Portal Name field, enter the name you want clients to see. Keep it short, clear, and consistent with your organization's brand. Something like Client Portal followed by your company name, or simply the name clients already associate with your services. Avoid using special characters or overly long phrases, and aim for something that fits neatly in headers or tabs. Now move to the portal description. Write a concise, welcoming sentence or two that explains what clients can do inside the portal. For example, you might say, "Welcome to the Client Portal, your secure space to access resources, track progress, and stay connected." Keep the tone friendly and professional, focus on benefits, and avoid including any sensitive information. A clear, benefits-driven description helps clients feel confident and oriented right away. When you're happy with the name and description, click Save Settings. Give it a moment to apply your changes. If you don't see the update immediately on the client side, refresh the portal page or reopen it to load the latest version. That's it. You've updated the portal name and description in Go HighLevel, creating a clearer, more branded experience for your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy branding!